All right, everyone. This is Gerald. We out here back out here at the burn house. Got all the windows replaced. Got all the trim work done. Just still waiting on my plumber. Still waiting on my plumber. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick walkthrough. I'm gonna show you where we are and what things we're trying to work on. Okay. So let's go ahead and get to it. As you can see there, that was that kitchen window that has now been replaced. Everything is looking really good. The door, everything's trimmed out. The light is up there. My electrician is out there actually running the actual I can't even think of the name, the actual conduit for the house, so that they can attach the actual power, so we can get power in the house. But as you can see, everything in here, we have made a lot of progress. We have come a long way, a long way, a long way. I'm gonna show you all something. As you can see now, we have the end caps on these. Cabinets. I'm gonna put the pulls on there. I'm gonna show you something. Remember this doorway here? Remember how this doorway, this is where the actual air handler going? As you can see there, this is the door that we put in here. We got everything framed out. You see that window's in. See, you see the little small door that we end up putting in here? We had to come up with something for that doorway, because that's actually a closet, and it was such a small closet. But I had my guys, what we did, we actually took a bifold door that was 30 inches. So, and we framed that out and made it. So once we took the two doors, separated them, they were 15 inches each. So we made that 15-inch door out of this door. Now I got some magnets that I'm gonna put on there to allow that door to clasp and stay closed. Alrighty, but let's go on and walk through. There's the new window that was put in. We have all the windows in now. The electrician is finishing up. We got to put the vent above the doorways. There's that window. Here's the bathroom. There's that closet. There's the access point. All right, but this is where we are. I gotta reach out to my plumber. I gotta find out what's the hold up, what's taking him so long. Then we gotta get that cabinet up. Oh yes, let's go back in there. I forgot to show you the other access point. There's the other access right there. Alright, you all. This is where we are with the burn house. We're getting this thing wrapped up. We look forward to walk you all through on the last and final one. I'm hoping that's the next showing, the one that is the final one. But if we have a hiccup, I am waiting on a permit. I had to pull the separate permit for these windows because my engineer that I had, he has not been available, and in order, the client wanted to go ahead and replace the windows. You remember when the older windows that we had? Well, we've now replaced all those, and since we replaced them, we had to pull the permit for those. Well, I tried to just update the original permit. Well, they told me I couldn't do that because in the original drawings, the architect or my engineer had all windows to remain the same except those two windows that was in that addition that we did back there. Well, since we did that and he's unavailable, I can't change the permit without him changing the drawings. So, and since he's unavailable, I had to pull a separate permit. So, but that's making its way through the steps. I pulled it on a Friday and today is a Tuesday. So let's see how long it takes him to approve this permit. Because what I want to do, I want to have the final inspection for the house as well as the windows all on the same time. So, but this is Gerald, OVD. Subscribe, like, let me know what you think. Let me know how you like the house. Give me an idea. It's been a pleasure. Y'all be blessed. Y'all take care. Till next time.